everyone. My name is Minka and this is Nate, the HR manager for Receipt Bank. And today we're going to present to you a little bit what we do. And we start off by showing you a little video.
The world of business is constantly evolving. But at Receipt Bank, we know that you, like so many businesses before you, went into business to follow your passion. That's why our passion is to remove the burden that receipts and invoices put on you and your business. We know that dealing with receipts and invoices is stressful and distracting, taking you away from what you do best. Businesses around the world lose thousands of pounds per year in lost and unclaimed expenses. With Receipt Bank smartphone apps, you can record these on the go at the click of a button. What's more, our software is based in the cloud, meaning that both you and your accountant can view the same data in real time. No more waiting until the end of the year to analyse your cash flow. Receipt Bank eliminates stress, automate your bookkeeping. Magic.
So this is in a nutshell about what we do. It's basically automated bookkeeping for small businesses. We're based from the UK. We have offices in London, Washington, Sydney, Sofia, Ljubljana. We're over 150 employees right now, and we recently got a Series A investment of $10 million. Currently on our team there are 5 machine learning experts and data scientists. And so which part of the business is in need of machine learning? Well, currently the main problem that we're tackling is the automated receipt data extraction. Currently the way this works is when a user takes a picture with his phone, the picture is sent to the backend where OCR, optical character recognition, is run, and we get a string out of that and we send it to our human interpreters who extract the data. So what they're looking for is the supplier, the VAT number, the paid amount, the currency, and the date of the receipt. And what we want to do is make this automated. And as you can imagine, this is a pretty hard problem because there's a lot of different receipts, there are a lot of different layouts, different fonts, and different qualities of pictures. So here's some numbers for you. We currently have 20 million categorized receipts, which are already vetted by our human interpreters. Out of these 20, there are 13 million that are image-based and 7 million that are PDFs and emails. And we are currently getting 2 million new receipts every month. So if you're interested in tackling this problem, it'd be interesting to hear that we're hiring in our offices in Ljubljana. And if you're motivated or interested by any of these problems, or running machine learning on optical character recognition or data extraction for receipts, come talk to us over pizza. Thanks.
Have any questions for the presenter?
Yeah.
Sure.
So what's your data pipeline?
Sorry?
What's your data pipeline, your architecture, if you're allowed to talk about it a bit, and how much data can you process in like a day?
We currently process about 70,000 receipts per day. We currently get it extracted via, like I said, most of the bulk is done by human interpreters. There is a part of it that's automated. I'm not sure if I can talk about it, but if you have any other questions, come talk to us after the presentation is over. Okay?
What's the current status of the pipeline? Do you have at least some prototype that's doing this automatically?
Yeah, absolutely. We just don't have it in production right now. We're currently testing it on staging. We're currently getting pretty good numbers. For example, the currency detection is like 95%. The VAT number detection is like 60%. But we want to get this as high as possible, and yeah.
So perhaps a tricky question. Once you automate this, and let's say the statistical model gives a wrong answer, so how do we handle this kind of false positives?
Well, like I said, every output that the OCR gets, or even the statistical model outputs, it always vetted by a human. So it always goes through human verification if it's okay.
Is this the only problem you are trying to solve with machine
Well,
learning?
no. Currently, we have a lot of different problems to solve, but this one is the main one, and the one that we're trying to solve as soon as possible, which is also why we
Okay, are there any other questions for the speaker?
Yeah, perhaps one more.
Okay.
In the age of mechanical turning, why would you consider attacking this kind of big problem? Why not just outsource the problems to engineers?
I'm not sure that's talking about. Sorry?
Well, that's still expensive compared to some sort of machine-based extraction. That's pretty much available.